Now, hauling a heavy vacuum cleaner around the home is no fun, and a lot of people are realizing that central vac systems actually exhaust the air straight to the outside instead of recirculating the same air within your home, which can really improve your indoor air quality. So central vac systems are becoming very popular. This home already had an existing central vacuum system, but it was old and not too effective. Our solution was to remove the vacuum motor itself and replace it with a new model that's 5 times more powerful than the average vacuum. This unit is designed to handle up to a 6,000 square foot home and will connect to the existing PVC pipe in the house. What you should know is that this pipe isn't the same stuff you'll find on the plumbing aisle at the home center. So whether you're making repairs or installing a system from scratch, you'll need to find a supply source that carries PVC pipe for vac systems. Many homeowners that have central vac systems have told me they love the ability to just carry a hose and a few attachments around the house instead of that heavy vacuum cleaner. And the attachments that are available for central vac systems include a beater bar that's perfect for cleaning carpet, also other attachments for hard surfaces, and even attachments to get into the real tight places that you're bound to have to vacuum from time to time. Some other advantages of a central vac system include all of the noise is right here in one spot, and this one's located in the basement of this home, which is a fairly typical place for the location. Another advantage, your exhaust goes down and out of the house so that you're not mixing any dusty air with your indoor air, which can certainly affect your indoor air quality. And when it's time to empty out your vac, it's as simple as unclipping the canister, dumping it outside in the garbage can, maybe rinsing this side a little bit, then bring it right back in, clip it in place, and you're ready to go again.